Ever wondered what else WD-40 can do besides stopping squeaks? I mean, that little blue can is a household staple, but it's capable of so much more than you might think. We're about to unlock the magic of WD-40 with 10 surprising uses that'll make you say, "Whoa, didn't know it could do that." Get ready to be amazed because these life hacks are total game changers. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic. Bringing that old rusty bike chain back to life. We've all been there, right? You pull your bike out of the garage, eager for a ride, only to find the chain about as smooth as sandpaper. But fear not, WD-40 to the rescue. Just grab your trusty blue can, give the chain a good spray, and work it into those links. You'll see the rust start to dissolve, and the chain will loosen up right before your eyes. No more squeaking, no more struggling to pedal, just a smooth, quiet ride. It's like magic in a can. Okay, tell me you haven't stepped in gum and had that sinking feeling of, oh no, not again. It's the worst, right? But before you panic, grab your WD-40. Yeah, you heard me right. WD-40 can actually help you get that stubborn gum off your shoes. Just spray a little bit directly onto the gum, let it sit for a minute, and then use a cloth or even an old toothbrush to work it loose. The gum will start to break down, and you'll be able to peel it right off. No more sticky mess, no more ruined shoes, just another win for WD-40. Time to silence those annoying squeaky doors that drive everyone in the house crazy. You know that high-pitched screech every time someone opens a door? Yeah, we're putting an end to that. And the best part is, it's so easy. Just locate those noisy hinges, give them a quick spray of WD-40, and swing the door back and forth a few times to work the magic. The WD-40 will lubricate the hinges, eliminating the friction that causes that awful squeaking sound. Peace and quiet restored. You're welcome. Let's face it, those water spots on shower doors are the worst. They make your whole bathroom look dingy, and scrubbing them off feels like a never-ending battle. But guess what? WD-40 can help with that too. Simply spray a little WD-40 onto the affected areas. Let it sit for a few minutes and then wipe it clean with a dry cloth. The WD-40 will break down those stubborn water spots, leaving your shower doors sparkling clean. It's like giving your bathroom a mini makeover. We've all been there, that dreaded moment when your zipper gets stuck and you're stuck wrestling with it, hoping it doesn't break. But before you resort to drastic measures, grab your WD-40. Spray a little bit onto a cotton swab and carefully apply it to the teeth of the zipper both above and below the slider. Work the zipper up and down gently and you'll feel it start to loosen. WD-40 helps lubricate the zipper, making it glide smoothly again. Crisis averted. Garden tools work hard, so it's no surprise they get dirty. But all that dirt and grime can take a toll, leading to rust and corrosion. That's where WD-40 comes in to save the day. After a long day of gardening, give your tools a quick clean with soap and water, then dry them thoroughly. Next, grab your WD-40 and spray a light coat over the metal surfaces of your tools. WD-40 not only helps prevent rust and corrosion, but also makes it easier to remove dirt and debris the next time you need to use them. Your tools will thank you. Winter can be brutal, especially when it comes to frozen locks. There's nothing worse than being stranded outside your car or house because the lock is frozen solid. But don't worry, WD-40 can help prevent that from happening in the first place. Before the cold weather hits, spray a little WD-40 into your locks and keyholes. The WD-40 will displace moisture, preventing it from freezing and locking you out. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of headaches when the temperature drops. Dull scissors are the worst. Whether you're trying to wrap a gift or tackle a craft project, dull scissors just make everything harder. But before you toss them out and buy new ones, try this. Grab your WD-40 and spray a little bit along the blades of your scissors. Open and close the blades a few times to work the WD-40 in, then wipe away any excess. The WD-40 will help lubricate the blades, making them sharper and smoother. You'll be amazed at the difference. Over time, silver jewelry can become tarnished, losing its luster and shine. But don't worry, you don't need to be a jeweler to bring it back to life. WD-40 can actually help restore the shine to your silver jewelry. Simply apply a small amount of WD-40 to a soft cloth, and gently rub it onto your silver jewelry. Buff the jewelry until it shines, and then use a clean, dry cloth to remove any excess WD-40. Your silver will sparkle like new. Barbecue grills can get pretty grimy after a few uses, but cleaning them doesn't have to be a chore. WD-40 can make it easier than ever. Let your grill cool completely, then spray WD-40 onto the grates and any other areas that are particularly greasy or grimy. Let it sit for a few minutes, then use a grill brush to scrub away the grime. WD-40 helps break down grease and food particles, making it easier to get your grill sparkling clean. Now fire up that grill and get cooking. Well, there you have it. 10 surprising uses for WD-40 that prove this little blue can is a true multitasking marvel. Who knew it could do all that? From fixing squeaky doors to cleaning barbecue grills, WD-40 is the ultimate problem solver for everyday life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. And be sure to share your own WD-40 hacks in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep those life hacks coming.